As On moves beyond its performance running niche to become an everyday footwear choice, the company's betting that apparel will broaden its reach in similar fashion.
Why did the move into apparel come?
The mission is that you move and you enjoy moving, and apparel is an important part of that. It's growing, it's still relatively small, but we feel it will be an important part of the future business.
Apparel, we want to grow it over proportionally. Percentage, what it is in percentage is actually not so important for us. For us, it's important that we're building it in a premium way, and it's a multi-year journey.
Another area with upside for On is tennis.
For us, tennis has two elements, right? I think one is it's a huge opportunity from a brand awareness perspective. Beyond tennis, just how can we showcase On as a sportswear company? And then we feel there's an opportunity to make tennis more inclusive. In many countries, it's still a very exclusive sport. So how can we bring it to the masses, and how can the tennis look be transponded to an everyday look? And that's definitely a big opportunity.
On has already established a strong presence globally, and it has plans to enlarge that footprint.
When you start a company in Switzerland, the first thing you need to do is really leaving the country. So we actually built a global company right from the beginning. We still have significant room to grow in parts of Europe. We are quite strong in Japan already. We just started in Latin America, big market. China, of course, a big focus for us in the next years.
China is a country that everyone wants to be in, but you have to do it right? You actually have to put significant investment forth to actually get it right. If you kind of take a halfway strategy, you're not going to be successful there.
Historically, China has been both a great opportunity to drive revenues, but critically, it's also been better margin. People will pay more for the same good abroad, and therefore, China has been not just the avenue of growth, it's been the best avenue of growth. The questions of whether that is tapering now are centered around whether that's structural or is it cyclical.
What does the path to success in China look like now? Is it sort of back to some situation like normal? How does it feel in China?
Right now in China, it feels like we're still a very small brand with a lot of potential. There's a lot of macroeconomic uncertainty. We feel we're still so small as a brand that the macroeconomic element is a bit less important because we have so much room to just grow market share. We're really at the point where I think we've proven product market fit, and now it's about scaling it.
Back in 2019, there were about 15 people working in China. Today, it's a team of 150. There is not really a wholesale partnership network in China. So it's all about building our own stores, our own monobrand destinations. And this will take time, but it's a great thing to have, so we can really engineer the growth over the next years.